Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Carrier back with another video. So just wanted to model subtraction across larger numbers that may have zeros and lots of regrouping. So let's go with 340,921, and then we're going to subtract from that 12, if I can get it to right, 12,815. All right. Sorry it's a little crooked. Here we go. Excuse the train sound if you heard that in my background. All right. So let's get ready to subtract. So we take a look at our ones place. I cannot take away 5 ones if I only have 1 1. However, when I go to the tens place, I do have a 10 that I can use here. So if I take away a 10 from here, I'm left with one of my 10s. I now have that as, hold on, let me erase that last part. No, not all of my drawings. I was about to make a common kid mistake. Okay, so I'm taking away a 10. If I already have 1 1 here, 1 1 with 10 ones makes 11 ones, okay? So I took away a 10 and I regrouped it to the ones place. 1 1 plus 10 ones makes 11 ones. Let me go ahead and subtract. 11 ones minus 5 ones is 6 ones. I'm here in the tens place. If I have a 10 and I only take away 1 10, well, I'm left with nothing. And here I see that I have 9 hundredths. I can take away 8 hundredths and I'm left with 100. I get here, I need to go ahead and put my comma. All right, I realize here in the thousands place, I don't have any thousands, but they need me to take away 2,000. I look here, okay, I have some 10,000s available. I have 4 10,000s. If I take away a 10,000, I'm left with 3 10,000s. I will regroup that as 10 here, because if I had nothing and I add a bundle of 10 to it, well then that's just 10 in the thousands place. Now I go ahead and I subtract, because 10,000 in the thousands place minus 2,000 is 8,000. If I have 3 10,000s, I can take away a 10,000. I'm left with 2. And then I go ahead and I bring down my 300,000. And then I'll notice to see that, 340,921 minus 12,815 seems to be 328,106. A way that I can check my subtraction is with addition. I didn't show this in my last video, but I'm going to go ahead and show it now. So if I take both of my smaller numbers, the 328,106, and I add that with my 12,815, and yes, boys and girls, do your best to make sure that you have things lined up. When we are adding and subtracting, place value matters. So if I do this successfully, I should end up with this original number here of the 340,000. So 6 ones plus 5 ones is 11 ones. We know that if we have too many in one place, we need to regroup that extra 10. Okay, 1 10 and another 10 is 2 10s. 800 plus 100 is 900, comma. 8,000s plus 2,000s is 10,000s. I can put the 0 from the 10,000 and regroup here to the 10,000s place. 2 10,000 plus 1 10,000 plus another 10,000 is 4 10,000. And then the 300,000. Voila, magic. I did it. and you can do it too. It just takes a little bit of practice and checking yourself.